10 ways you can tell if a man is a husband material. Number 1, godliness. To be godly means is like God in character. God is love. God is kind. God is good. God is unchangeable. There is no variableness in God. He is constant. Number 2, sacrificial love. Jesus Christ is the epitome of the model of an excellent husband. He emptied himself for his wife. He sacrificed himself for his wife. Number 3, spiritual leadership. To be a leader means he is a spiritual head with active sensory organs. And I mean spiritual sensory organs. He can see beyond the natural. He can hear beyond the natural. He can perceive. He can taste. He can smell. To be a spiritual leader is a pathfinder, a priest, a pastor, a prophet, a progenitor. Number 4, maturity. Maturity in the spirit, maturity in the mind, maturity in emotion, maturity in his body, maturity in finances. Someone who is already weaned from his parents and friends. Number 5, someone who is diligent and a provider. 6, a servant leader, not a ruler, who is ready to serve his wife and serve the entire household. Number 7, kindness and gentleness. He is kind and is gentle. Number 9, fidelity and honor. He is a man who is single-minded. And number 9, forgiveness and wisdom. He will always forgive and is loaded with divine wisdom. Lastly, is appreciative and self-control. There is nothing you do for him that he will take for granted. He doesn't have entitlement mentality and is self-control. These are the qualities of a husband or a man who is an husband material. If you have gotten one as a woman, give glory to God. If this video has blessed you, beloved, like, comment, share. Make sure you subscribe. God bless you.